Are you struggling with a slow or unresponsive computer in Naples? Our expert team is ready to assist you with reliable repair services. Computer problems can be frustrating. Whether it's software glitches, hardware malfunctions, or network issues, we have the expertise to resolve them efficiently. Worried about repair costs? Our pricing is competitive and transparent, ensuring no hidden fees. We provide value for your money. Convenience is key. Fix My Computer Naples. We offer on-site repair services, coming directly to your home or office to save you time and hassle. From virus removal and data recovery to hardware upgrades and software installation, our skilled technicians handle it all with ease and professionalism. Unsure of the problem? We offer free diagnostics to identify the issue before starting any repairs, ensuring you know what to expect. We prioritize quick turnaround times, minimizing downtime so you can return to your work, studies, or other activities promptly. For reliable service, call us today at 239-382-7247. Visit fixmycomputernaples.fl.com to learn more and schedule your repair appointment online.